Hello, my name is Andrea Castro. Today we Chakada, effect of technology on the environment. Technological advance has cuts much damage to the environment. Among them on is one of the main cause of the ocean destruction is company product and high mortality of aquatic or water fish and other species that inhabit in ocean. The excessive use of technology causes significant problems including global warming is an increase in greenhouse gas emission as a result. The ozone layer deteriorates and Earth use be more exposed to soaring and forest fires. Will most take collective measures to prevent environment destruction. Otherwise, we will see the earth destruction caused by human action. We can only be reduce the excessive use of energy. Thank you. Bye bye.